Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to create limited user accounts in Windows. Are you worried about other users messing with your files or system settings? Want to create a safer Windows environment without giving full control to others? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to create limited user accounts in Windows quickly and easily. Let's jump right into it. Method 1. Press the Windows key plus I to open Settings. Click on Accounts from the left-hand side menu. Select Family and Other Users. Under Other Users, click Add someone else to this PC. Click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter the username and password for the new user account. Click Next to create the account. Method 2. Press Windows key plus R, type Control Panel, and press Enter. Click on User Accounts. Again, click User Accounts in the next window. Click on Manage another account. Click on Add a new user in PC Settings. This opens the Settings window. Continue from Step 4 as shown in Method 1. You now know these simple ways to create limited user accounts in Windows. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.